sky is softly overcast, the misty rain comes down to gently stir the sleeping seeds of life within the ground. The wakened ghosts of other days slip silent through the town, drifting in the California rain. For this is land worth stealing, stolen it has been, from red and brown and yellow men a dozen times again. And when the golden hills fall down, who shall have it then? The ghosts of time and California rain. The ghosts of time and California rain.